Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. Today I got home, parked the bike outside, lifted up the garage door, pushed it in, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna make a video about setting up the suspension. Therefore, I need to put it in the front wheel holder. So I started pushing it in here, and unfortunately, I wasn't lined up right, and I was tired from after work. As a result, I dropped the bike and it fell against that. And you know what it did? It smashed something. It smashed this, the mirror. Actually, the lens was fine. I actually cracked it trying to get it out, trying to fix it, because this plastic right here just popped right out and it's broken. I can't even find the little pieces. I tried to super glue it, but when I super glued it, I had it in the wrong spot and it wouldn't move without breaking off. So I called my dealer up immediately and said, please order me a mirror. How much is it? And it's like about 170 bucks before tax. That's for the whole assembly. That's the right side mirror that I dropped off. And if you're wondering why I'm smiling, it's because at first, and I'm not even joking, I stood there and cried. I'm not even joking. I literally cried. This is the 2023 Ducati V4 Pikes Peak with like 4,400 miles on it, and just me being tired and not paying attention, I dropped the bike in my own garage. So I ripped it apart, all the wiring, went ahead, pulled off all the broken pieces, and then I said, you know what? I don't want to be driving around with a blind spot detection fault light on. So I rewired it, reconnected it, put this piece back on, fixed the back of it, got rid of everything, and now, check this out. There it is. See that? No codes, and blind spot is working. So, more. So the mirrors are so good on this bike that I can still ride around with just one perfectly fine. If it didn't have any mirrors, you know what? My head swivels sometimes. Anyway, so, but in typical North American Ducati fashion, guess what? 10 days to 2 weeks before the mirror comes in, because God forbid Ducati North America keeps anything in stock. So as usual, we're told it's coming from Italy. And when it comes in, I'll just be able to bolt it in and connect the wire. And that's it. So, brand new bike. Oh, was there any other damage? Not that I could find anywhere. Nowhere. And I mean, this thing took a header when it fell and it went right up against that cabinet. So the answer is no. So that's it. I cried. Now I'm happy. Well, I'm not happy. I'm just smiling because I'm on the video. You know. Anyway, my misfortune. Pay attention. If you're too tired, just leave the bike alone. I guess that's the best way to put it. So anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. This is a quick one. My misfortune is your entertainment. Have a good day.